Vessel call sign Lima 34 Juliet Zulu. Lima 34 Juliet Zulu. Lima 34 Juliet Zulu. This is Shangla traffic. Shangla traffic. Shangla traffic. Advice change to VHF channel Una 1 please. Over.
Shangla traffic. This is MV Monroe Buena Vista. Lima 34 Juliet Zulu. Understood, changing to VHF channel Una 1. Shangla traffic. This is MV Monroe Buena Vista Lima 34 Juliet Zulu on VHS channel Una 1. Over.
Vessel call sign Lima 34 Juliet Zulu. This is Shangla traffic. Your flag state is Simland, correct? Spell the name of your vessel, Captain. Over.
Shangla traffic. This is MV Monroe Lima 34 Juliet Zulu. Yes, you are correct, sir. My flag state is Simland. I spelled the name of my vessel, Mike Oscar November Romeo Oscar. Next word, Bravo November Alpha India Sierra Tango Alpha. Call sign Lima 4 Juliet Zulu.
This is Shangla traffic. What is your position, please? Over.
Shangla traffic. This is MV Monroe Buena Vista Lima 34 Juliet Zulu. My position is about Beseto nautical mile south of Boy Delta Novi 9.
Lima 34 Juliet Zulu. This is Shangla traffic. There are 33 vessels in a line from the north to the south, Captain. Which of the three are you? Please, over.
Shangla traffic. This is MV Monroe Buena Vista Lima 34 Juliet Zulu. I am in the southernmost of the three vessels. Over.